So now we're gonna make sure to make that part over there. Let's press E and just extrude this over on the right side about on that place. So it should be that line over there, that curved line that I just mentioned. Let's GZ then and just place it right over there and move it over on the y-axis like that. Okay, since we have 8 vertices over there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 8. So Control R and just press 8 to have 8 vertices over there. Let us move them over on the x-axis. Be sure to select all 8 of them and then just move them on the x-axis and just keep on deselect them by pressing Control. Now we just have to align this over on the z-axis. Just GZ them and just push them up. And then we're gonna push them down since that's a curve. Perfect. As I have said before, uh, the blueprints will never match all 3 sides, and so we just have to improvise them. So we just press double G and just move it up, move them in the front, but that seemed wrong. So Control Z and then just leave it as it was. We don't have to change anything over here. So if we change it over here, it will move from the top and the side axis. So there's no reason. Okay, let's just extrude that from there. Place it over there. Let's keep on extruding. Then just F to join them. The more we go over the course, the less I'll talk, and I'll just talk in the places where I need to. Since if I just keep yapping about like this, uh, you will get annoyed. So yeah, let's get going like this. Now Control R, just get 3 vertices, push them over to the line. Now let's join the entire part one by one by pressing F. Make sure to follow the screencast keys over the bottom left. Let's get 3 edges in the middle to form a face over to the vertices that we have formed before. As you can see that they're not in the right place as we have wanted, so we're just going to improvise it.